Got the Pampered Chef egg cooker. I just put 2 eggs in. Here's the mini whipper. I'm gonna whip it up. I'm gonna throw in some broccoli. Oh, there's some cream cheese. Some broccoli. A little bit of our garlic herb seasoning. Some cream cheese. And some American cheese. And then I'm just gonna mix that up a little bit. A little broccoli piece. All right, so there it is. I'm gonna put the lid on. And I'm gonna pop it in the microwave. There's 2 eggs in here, so I'm gonna put it on for 2 minutes, and I'll come back. Okay, so I just took this out of the microwave after 2 minutes. I have this nice little egg souffle. It's broccoli and cheese and garlic herb. Let's see. Let's see if I can grab a fork here. Yummy. There you go.